What is a rolling 12-month budget? A rolling 12-month budget is a financial plan that always looks 12 months into the future, because as soon as one month ends, you remove it from your plan and add a brand new month onto the end, so you are always looking a full year ahead instead of watching your planning window shrink as the year goes on. Think of it like a train with 12 cars that never stops moving. Every time the front car reaches the end of the track, a brand new car gets added at the back, so the train always has exactly 12 cars no matter how far it travels. That is exactly how this budget works, except the cars are months instead of train cars. Most people use a regular yearly budget that starts in January and just stops in December, which means by November you are only looking a month or two ahead and feeling stuck. A rolling budget fixes that problem completely because you are constantly updating it, so you always have a full year of planning in front of you. One thing most people do not know is that businesses use this method specifically to react faster to changes in costs or income, since they are never stuck waiting for a new calendar year to fix their numbers. You can actually do this at home too, by simply adding a new month to your spreadsheet every time one ends, and updating your numbers based on what actually happened. A big mistake people make is setting up the budget once and then forgetting to update it every single month, which basically turns it back into a regular yearly budget that becomes useless. The simple fix is to set a recurring reminder on the same day every month to review your numbers and add the next month to your plan. Another common issue is not adjusting future months based on real spending patterns, so people just copy and paste the same numbers over and over without thinking. Instead, take a few minutes each month to actually compare what you predicted against what really happened and adjust your upcoming months accordingly. A lot of folks also assume this only works for businesses, when really any household can use it to stay ahead of expenses like home repairs or seasonal costs. If you need help with a project around your house, you can search for trusted and affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message them back with estimates.